What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, boy me I tell you say, you see sometime, yeah, mind your own business and do your thing and people just see you and go mess with you. You see me I say? But you have to know for hold your composure some of the time, because if Rosealee never react to that situation, yeah, certain things would happen. You see me? Because right now the female who did in the altercation with Rosealee, her mother said she want compensation and one bag of something. You see me? And them attack it say are the people them see the woman and I disrespect the woman. You see me? I say there's only so much a person can take now for the time, you know. You see me? I say sometimes you can hold your composure but not for long. You see me? So I want to tell more no think me people, because I'm gonna make you hear what she have to say about the situation. Right? We also have figure it out also my people, and them youth here figure it out, and the youth named Akeem. Me see them on TikTok, me don't know them ulterior motive, you see me, like fi link with Rosealee and Diamond them something there, but a genuineness me see from them a link with them, cause it would be a good them though, you see me, me don't say them now have a ulterior motive, I don't know, you understand me, but people, ever since them youth here, they on TikTok, be a bad name them get. You see me I say, they give them bad name say, them a batty man. Them give them name say, them involved in a knockings and clappings with the youth who drop out now, yeah. Seeing, then give them name say, right now figure it out a Obia Diamond. So, me don't know my people. You see, as a person who been through a lot of stuff in a life, you see me, I look at them situation and I say, yo, Jano, sometimes you know business with people, you know, you mind your own business and your own like plight in a life and want to elevate and achieve what you are achieving our people. You see me I say, me don't know what go on behind closed door, you know. Me can't speak for if them a good youth or them a bad youth. Me can't speak for that. But all me see them do on TikTok are good things. And them not in a no bagga with people and cussy and something. Them humble. You see me? And a be a name them get. But the person them we are going with all different type of things, them not get no name certain way. You see me? So it only show me say like people prefer the person them where a hooligan and do the most and quick for break war and them something there. If a man humble, nobody no respect you. You understand me I say? Cause me see you, them not do nothing. What them do, pan? Tell me what them do. Wanna see them the certain way. You see me? So now, boy, figure it out a Obia Diamond. So him a Obia man, him a Killer, and he also a swim around. So much name when I give the one youth. Boy, me I tell my people, yo, and that's why me I say, yo, sometimes you have to just do your thing, mind your own business, stay to yourself, and you know what I mean, focus on you, and nobody focus on the outside nice, because me know say if them youth are focus on them something how people are say about them, they won't go hide somewhere. You see me I say? So, we have that for sure. We don't know because Diamond, Rosealee and figure it out, link up. You know what I mean? Diamond still a link with the G and something. A woman like what she like. You understand me? And Diamond like the youth. So why them relationship can't go on without people that say this and say that? Jaja, boy, me I tell you. And we also have Rosealee, my people. Rosealee respond to the things them who are going, because you know say Rosealee name in everybody mouth. So Rosealee take time out, you know, and respond, and this who forget this, and you don't know for your style already. So me don't know if I left out nothing. Most left out things still. You know what I mean? But one of us hearing at the intro and I go see in the video. So make we get into it, my people.
I'm not gonna memorize them, some of them for call them, that's why I say thanks everybody. Oh my god, so long I remember everybody. It is a muncha man, it is a muncha right name. But suck your mama come from him, dirty woman. I'm not too enough. I'm not like you. Stop calling me name for foolishness. Me dey over here can talk about Obia, you know. I say, I'm fuck Jakes. Nah, tell if I stop calling my blood clot name, you know. Cause me on the oath, me I woke up at home, couldn't get rid of Jakes a long time. And a long time, me 8, 9, 10, 15, 16 him. And since what them finally get to get rid of him. If me I walk up, I couldn't get rid of blood clot Jakes. How long I want Jakes to leave? Eh? I couldn't get rid of Jakes. I want him to leave how long? What make him still a torment me? I obe walk a dirty sassy. Dirty sassy. If me a obe walk, how come me can't get rid of Jakes and him still a torment me? How when me a tell him say me another day? How when you a tell the world say me another day? Why me can't get rid of him all now? I see them call my phone. And the day before him call my phone. And I him a call me and I call him. And we have to chat because we have kids together. Eh? What up, see our chat? Ever talk to him? But Obia, a myth story. Somebody do something shit now to you. Pray and believe in a God and keep it unclean and so you live a happy life. All of the storm, there shall be a calm. Me tell us that all these shows shall pass. And God me pray to. It all will be over. When you come, I put them one underpants, you come about Obia. Sassy you stink and one beard. It's a or come up here, look. I say you come out here. Rosealee, I'm going at work where there's work me come with me there, so you so much followers me have more than you. It's an entertainer. You don't have the followers, so you can't work here, so. You have to come look clout. I use mama man Jakes him tell one bag of fuckery. So you come lip. I'm not joke any way you are Jakes tell you. I'm not joke to chat anything. I'm a mama man. So me hear you talk, I don't even care. I'm gonna keep secret in a miss. So I die for you talk what Jakes tell about me. Come know me not have no secret. I'm wash and cook. And clean. I'm spend my money so I know what kind of secret in a blood clot that. And if you told we are not matter, if you told we are not matter with us blood clot near matter. So I know what kind of secret in that stinking old woman with the blood. All it is a perfect broom to be one flying witch, old witch. White witch are Rosealee. It's like them create Peter Gay. I don't know it's Peter Gay. It's my little pound on the story. I like them create Peter Gay. Because here we go chat. And I'm gonna be honest because honesty is the key for life. Because of books and them don't know, you know, because that's why me like have other conversation with other people. Resemble the app because it's the one them who can click live, them got eventually tell live by you. What did I look at girl here? Eventually tell live by you. Me and Jabba sketch up. Rate and play about the case when have a circuit. Rate and play about the case when have a circuit. When him a class me and me a class him, the case when have a circuit me a talk about. Right? Before that, when me and him was friend, one girl come in my inbox with one same story, I mean a look pan her blood clot. Cause so the people come in my inbox, me look on the message and delete it. Me no read message. You can't set me up. Me get a message like that already, me delete it. She reach out to a liar, tell me she reach out to her. One night I done my life and get a phone call. One night I finish my life and get a phone call. The live was, the phone call was video me, Macy, Sky Diamond, and Liar. Me, Macy, Sky Diamond, Liar, and Peter Gay. 5 hours upon the blood clot phone call. Me, Macy, Liar, Sky Diamond, and the woman named Peter Gay. Anyway, she show me one long cut in her belly from up here so go straight across her navel, go straight down to one long cut. Right? One light skin girl. She not brown but her skin kinda light. She show me run her back so don't look one round sitting, don't look a small cut. Said Jabba said stab her this so. She had a show all in her head. Me can't see in her head because she have her hair. She show me one paper say all in her body Jabba's fuck her. Remember the woman that tell me story, you know? would have fear for me to not believe that story. They can come with evidence. So when cute boss, when Nasty Mouth Raja run out, when Nasty Mouth Lady Gaga she AK Raja run out on the story, and cute boss run out on the story, Shay run out on the story, and Sunshine them run out on the story. My belief of is strong because them show me a person with scar. The destiny show me the road and run up on the story. Me can't believe them because the person show me something which show me our scar them what you have. I'll munch me tell Angela, Mr. Angela, no matter what the internet is gonna say the girl, me talk to her. Somebody when I talk to me, them feel up call me and I talk to her. Then I go back for the grape, go back for the grape kit, type of story. And care about the case and it's a cold kid and I try to care about the case. When I time over here, me see.
Alright, my people, I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section, right? Because here I go on, you see it, eventually everybody are going to show them true colors in my people. Everybody who did run GX is like them run GX for a particular reason. You know what I mean? Them have them ulterior motive. None of them not just genuinely run him because they want to see him go up there and him elevate. Because look there, as one little thing go on, everybody scatter all door. Them say a scam GX them are rare, you know what I mean? So that would make anybody take on themselves still. But you know me I say my people. Them did have them reason for run him from a long time. With their cloth, them a look a bus, them a look followings so that them can come taps and roses. You know what I mean? So more to tell more the thing my people and make watch some more.
Skydiamond, she write the story. Like it's a cloud thing. Come along to me on social media, you know. Like it's a cloud thing because every minute as daylight she up on the story. I want it justice for the victim and the what should I say? Some call me, so me say Peter get real for true. Me look at me and me know say yes, Rose, she real for true. Where you think me have forge fear so. It's alright. The next year Skydiamond she come out. Them I write the story. I'm like, come on now. If what you're saying, if when I say Peter Gay is real, right? We don't need to sit down and every time when I click on the live when I explain to the people them I 1 week I don't wanna explain. The story is getting drawn out for me. I don't know about the viewers. But for me, when I chat to the story now, it go automatically gonna look like it gonna make no sense. If you're gonna do something, carry out the station and lock chat. I saw them shut up. Mr. Kara got the story and lock Kara got the station, Kara got do what she does, some people got chatting. Because you follow the whole pastor, it never make no sense. She never gonna do what she get her paperwork and do what she do. Me blood clot. She takes money, so she beg more money. I say, yeah man. She never call back. Me never the evangelist send no money go get cause she never call back. Me mind she say she's a victim, you know. You know when I'm gonna Peter again real? Because you know when I'm gonna Peter again a blood clot real? All along when cute bassa, everyone else said she's not real. I said, no man. I when cute bassa said, she not real. Cute bassa tell me so she's not real. I said, cute bassa, no, you can't tell me that. Because she talked to me on phone. I see her on video call. The man said, she not real. I said, no, you can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. It was my belief. And I'm not say Peter getting a blood clot real and at all. But go back in my brain. I said, Angela, but Peter gets story not look good, you know. So what you mean by Rose? I say yeah because I know we can't even I know me them send an update and then she will go back a station to get one piece of paper. If you go lock up jobbers for reopen by the case, I'm not saying nothing. I'm not hearing a shot fire about it. It just dark and cold and last. So I say blood clot. One if Peter gets sore in a blood clot wheel and then me come cuss Jabas, come dig up one story for paint picture up and one somebody I'm gonna like that for myself, you know. It's gonna look fuck up, it's gonna look so fucked up. Because them can't use themselves, because them know them have no credibility, so them use blood clot me. Them know them can't use themselves because them have no credibility, so them use me. Them can't use themselves. Because them have no credibility, that's why them use me. But now listen to them. I mean them use. I can't be myself because if somebody gonna show you something and say see the physical here, you have to vouch it what you see. I mean I tell you say it's skydive and them a liar, when them not argue with them. They will come with all proof and it's just a blood clot like I'm afraid of them. I'm afraid of them, I'm afraid they don't take back. I'm afraid they don't take back. I think I argue, I don't argue with them, I don't argue with them. They will come with that one piece of paper and it's a lie. People, you know, I know say I lie, the dirty woman I tell. When you tell a lie upon me, I say me tell her, me not sit down and chat Akeem. I saw me know Peter Gay stories I lie. I tell the honest truth. I saw me know Peter Gay stories I lie. I'm ashamed to him. I'm ashamed bring it up. But for those in a life, but for those make the boy just see me and try if we can't tell him so I'm sorry. To him, I'm ashamed. I can't tell Jabas I'm sorry. I can't look at Jabas face and me and I play a match. I can't say sorry neither. Because if I'm a born out of laverne pussy, but never know some people could have wicked so. Them liar skydive man, me blood. If I'm a born out of my mother crutches, me never know some people wicked so. I'm going to say, oh them wicked, they will come with a document and I just lie. Them the people Me dear, train to make me know say. We want to hear about the rest of Peter Gay story. Don't you can't ask for that. My obvious a big woman, I'm sit down and listen to you, you know. And you really gonna ask me, Rosealee, about the rest of Rosealee about the rest of Peter Gay story. I don't know Peter Gay from nowhere. I lie them introduce me to Peter Gay. I know the man from nowhere. Me no walk and dig up. Me mind know when me a class pan me, you know. Me no go for document or rap sheet like your friend them, you know. Me more bad. Me no need no document, me no need a rap sheet, me no need nobody history for class them. Me no need them back life and them full life. Me just tell them what I want, tell them, I just keep it moving. And your friend, if you go ask the rest of people, me don't know Peter Gay from nowhere. I shame what they are. When them I try use Peter Gay again with Jakes and them somebody identify our vice. Because I know somebody from out of them chat identify say Peter Gay vice come out and them shame. Them I try twist up one story. Ask me about what? You know Peter Gay from nowhere? Two of me blood clot shame like a dog whenever you want to talk about it. Because uno sit down and I believe a blunt fucking lie about a person. I have the blood clot boy, I have a slack and the blood clot boy, I could lose all my life. And when I have some wicked people, you know what threat me blood clot get? It's be like, you know? Man, I hold no argument pound upon here. You know what threat people blood clot threaten me? Over the same argument, one of them and I say I'm black here. Pass, stop on me gate. Then and then pass again. I'm not saying for the whole night. Oh my Jabba story. What Jabba could have said, man, say, and alive me. Because I tell you the truth. You're wicked too. Come on, I don't want to feel like say a blood clot ice cream come out and people pussy clot gun. I don't ask about my life, yeah. What kind of people story you ask me about? What people lit me, people that can find a call. Oh, the one what them would do me. I'm still going to peer threat. One time my friend come and over to me yard over one store where I know me cars and them I tell me I told me enough. Shot fight for she get justice, of course. Big back out, teeth in, girl.
Girl, we rat a bumbo clad fuck you. You live in rat a fuck you. Are you a bumbo clad liar? Did a blood clad friend? You liar all closer than pussy clad me.
Lie like that from me.
Liar ever give me a bumbo clad Instastella yet? Not even a bumbo clad way liar never give me for my blood clad birthday over the years. Me and her a bumbo clad friend. I the man a cuss big back girl up. Who the fuck is you for your bumbo clad jabasa war? I me over bumbo clad favorite rank and come over here and back. Who the fuck you is? You think you is that girl? You think you're that bumbo clat girl and rat and bumbo clat roach a fuck you?
My mix up mama man baby father. Shine the rest of them.
Sure. Me can't believe say Rosealee come with this a story, yeah. You claim Cked was a victim and you never know say a lie. She tell her she beg your money. Why you never give her? Like your bumbo clad smart. You're growing to watch everybody bumbo clad live. I hear say people send money and come with story but she asks you for money and never give her. Why you not think somebody a victim and they ask you for money and not give them a liar big?
Wanna come here now? Wanna mix me up? Wanna tell pure blood clot lie? Wanna tell mix me up? Wanna tell pure lie for me? Me not pure no mine. I was just sitting and tell Jesus she can't send for Jake. I said, what's a fucking idiot blood clot boy? And you look and get back at me till come and suck you up and consume you. So that's looking on, that's all Jake come here look and get back at Rose. I said, what's a pussy how my blood clot sit down and feed for years. Back and belly rap, pies and dirty man. When all this man, I see him look, him just look dirty. Look at your bum blood clot, yo. When trucker come for move, you can you have none to move up more than 2 pieces of clothes on my buy you. Every day I have the ratchet and I'm a you make people, they make a lie of them shoot at you. For disgrace me. But you come and they come and lie them cash off your money. But come and reach you. I know the house can be another blood clot black. I know. I see you come out what they Magario. Magario what blood clot there. The facility. Dime I gonna shot got something. Figure it out in them room a blood clot. Figure it out that them in them room asleep. I mean an elephant man come down the step. And Candice gone to bed. My elephant man did till Akeem come on. I would have listen to some music. The 2 girls them a troll me from Wappy Kill Philip and beg me a picture. I say me not take none. Go on go. I don't like phone laugh. You no come polite to me. I know kind just from people that try clown me out of me a top girl. Me no clown. You understand? I not take no picture. Go on where I go. I don't follow me go way down there so and I scrutinize me out and I follow me up. Right? When me and the girl catch up in a fight, elephant man gone way up on the next and get the key for me. Akeem did one part. Because him coming there, Adam and walk up, me don't know him walk gone. Them never dead there. I don't want to crucify the blood clot people. Them so all them dead there and watch them a beat me. I don't really for crucify the people them all them did nobody never. If the people they start with them, who couldn't fight? I don't know walk with common sense and just like chat and type. You know walk with common sense with that tell us say you're borrowed one artist, them no want excitement, they better know Rose and about with that. Akeem him now with a call Akeem him now. With a call the peacemaker. Nobody with that behave. Nobody with that, you know. Nobody with that. Talk to people, nobody with that. Nobody with that, you know. To the police, them in nobody with that, you know. Nobody said, but just shut up. I don't want my head got chip, I got blur out top of me for somebody just shut up. So the people them go about them business and make us up in a fight. We want to blame the people them for. Like you know what I want to make it seems like them did dead there. I mean, them never did dead there. Hear the argument, them start to laugh. You know. So I'm the elephant man security. Sometimes I want to buy that look eat that boy to buy a theme subject. Because at the end of the day, elephant man them a blood clot long time top artists who have their money. A long time them in the music business. Rio is a well-secured place. Rio is a resort to have a tree right there in Jamaica. The bad no want to bag on them business place where it's a tourist attraction. Me got a night that man not there. So you come out and come talk about with security there. You can't fight. You can't fight just a woman. I mean a beat. Me never see a beat a boy it not see you. A woman strength your blood clot have. I always me try to beat up and bully my family with a mascot. You know bad, So what you gonna say? Well, I need security if I would one girl. I don't need the security. If them did it in a fight, couldn't go on. My God, them never did it. I don't want bust or pussy more. So my God, them never did blood clot. They come here, I mean, but like people text it for me, come from. With one girl. To her old clothes in a riff-raff store. And some shit up. So I say, Jigsaw, you tell people about shit. Huh? Your brother way up power the Batman, you tell me the brother way up power, that's when you tell me say my Batman, them catch him in a house with man and they import the blood of jars in Nigeria. And people go in there go to the jars. Tell me that, Yeah. I have power with him daily. And when I tell me to come catch you in alone, when I come catch you one day, I come catch you two in a blood clot alone. And I'm saying, brother, my friend are flap together. So when you talk about shit up, join the line. You like chat. No one in here though. And you know not like me I tell pa yo. And this man him come on my head and look for my mama but work and board up me I talk on social media. And your brother tell me so. Omar, your brother tell me so and his mama. When I repeat what them tell me so when the kingfish come in and see you something I eat. So I don't want to get it technical over here, I don't want to stop talk. I will send for proof and back up. I don't know I'm dead like that. Don't play with me. But tell Jackson leave Akeem alone. Just all your mouth to play any battle like that, but we not go along like that, I say leave him alone. I'm gonna tell that already. As when I start to waste all girl them for me and them a class me not say no. I know what you.
Some people want to tell me what you think in the comment section because boy Jakes rise and fall fast your fret. I not lie still, but him I get one and few gifts on TikTok, so him not really that bad, you know what I mean? But the people them not run out for him like one time. Judge.
Who send them? When I say that stinking liar them and Dr. Sky Diamond them and ugly sassy and soft and stretchy skin Chevy Palmy and them a class, I don't know why you send them. I don't want to get technical, Do your thing and I do my thing. If you want to get technical, I want my mouth. Because I don't want to gun people. I don't want to go further down the line, Yeah, I want Magnum. I really want to go further down because I don't want to gun people too. I don't want to go further down the line. I say arrest the people them because you like chat. Yeah, I love chat. I say arrest the blood clot people them. Not there. Because I couldn't go back with blood clot, you. I couldn't go back with you. With blood clot. Sit down and scoop my feet for years. Have you here? And your blood clot scrutinize out all my joints. Sit down and never. I'm restraining out there to go against me. I'm not see you. For so you say, oh, yes, I look a sissy. I look a mama man can lie. I promise if I pay a liar for you like things. So say, boy, I like you just for like sweets. Who would tell lie and do the things them. You suck pussy, fuck body, do all of the above because you like sweets. He's a candy wrapper. The size up here, so. Hold your corner and stay in your lane. Hold your corner and turn in your lane. Because there's no blood clot where somebody could have shoot at me. For come class you. Anytime I class, me want class you. Anytime I rub out, me want rub you. Nobody can't tell me what to do. I make $2 dollars, make you tell her a lie. We have to go. You cut me, yasso. 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 All bad for me. Any cause what they for me, are you do it? Are you going to go restrain her against me? You make a blood clot lie woman have your sip out her batty chair. Set to your batty chair. Body poop up in it. And you tell go sleep out in a. I know you don't live no way. We go put in an apartment and parent. You feel like you live somewhere? Hold the gully. Where your mama there. Wherever where your mama there, hold the gully. We believe I gotta take them money and bring to house, put it in a. Eh? You like the nice of the market. Them tricky, yeah, them tricky. Nice of the market, tricky. Hold the gully. You like the nice of the market. Eh? But you always outside doing live and having back jacket, don't move yet. Oh, happy day when Jesus washed my sins away. He told me how to work and pray. Oh, work and pray. What the golly, my love? Eh? You make people out with the apartment there. You make people on TikTok set you up against the only person in your life who are gonna really look out for you. Cause them like you know the clout them want. Them I use you forget to me at all times. What them like if I'm nowhere? Them like what them like if I'm nowhere? Them like if I'm nowhere? Them I use you to get to me, you know. See that you say I fight after you buy every day I tell myself I buy jokes by them blood clots up there. And you could not fight so you can read and write. I make a blind woman use you. A blind woman use you. A sodomite use you and an old bulldog use you. Cause I said them if I want old blood clot long time bulldog. All while if I'm sassy one time out of the foam. Yeah, blood clot, just a 2 jaw them drop. I saw a pussy jaw them drop. No man know what them in a foreign. So, my dear. Not to mention blood clot shave with the elastic band skin. Elastic woman. The elastic band girl rob you. And I come and talk about it. And she can't have an interview. You can't come fend me. Cause I know you're a thief. And when everybody get down to you, you can't thief no more jokes when you can't assassin value. You want to come friend me. No one a friend from you. Cause I know you're a thief a long time. I know you're a thief long time. I know you roll up and fall up. Like flimp and stomach. Yeah, I know some of them roll up and fall up like flimp and stomach. Them hard for come out. Flimp and come out. They can't come up and roll up. I feel me supposed to have the dry dress. Pure flab. I don't look at you, don't come friend me. You don't come listen to the saga. I know you will have to bring down Drakes. I mean like tell us if you bring down, I'm going to be a nice smile for me. Yeah, because what? I not a secret. But don't show jokes who my choose already and make him mad. Yesterday I call him and said to him, say, you over here the spa date, you over here clap that much on the board, you couldn't pay for 2 your lunch money if you pay them. Chankro. You over here do the thing that you couldn't pay for, you over here rank with diamonds on the board and you couldn't pay 2 weeks of lunch money if you pay them, which is $10,000. Eh, Croft? Long time Croft? How those so done? What up, say I chat? We could let you Croft people them. So thief every blood clot that a thief it yes. Come I warn you, Mr. to you say. Me know Chevy. Them a cloud tracer. When Chevy them used to blood clot, get the followers them on blood clot Instagram. And she get the followers them on blood clot Instagram so she sell the page. You know internet nothing. Me I want it, but put it up on the internet. Then just might be able to follow no chat. And you know when you do with that man over the years and public time take you and you had him put way. And one long after you feel like a tingle in your wall. I say blood clot, you know, I feel like say like give up my ex and look one piece. They give me a look bust off and
hey, my people, that's why you have to be careful who you link with, you know, who you feel say real, you know. Because first place when Jakes just forward on the internet, him say, nah, this him baby mother. You saw me I say he make some people get in him head and make him this him baby mother. All people are gonna look on you. them are gonna say you're not loyal. You understand? Although we know how relationship thing go when man and woman turn sour, you know what I mean? The person where you did know change, you know what I mean, to a person that you don't know, you don't know what a person capable of. But people tell me if you don't feel like say I plan up and mess up jakes, or just tell me what you think. Make you watch some more. Boy, Rosealee have a last laugh, my people.
Leave. Maybe gonna take me jakes, I'm gonna take it back in my hole. You know, just adapt it as long as you stay somewhere, you're a wolf in a sheep clothing. Could never fuck you back, so you gonna tell them say you still a fuck me. This is me a mascot. You know, I'm overnight fever a long time, I do it. He want to show him true colors and know who the fuck can pay me for bring down my baby father. I'm here for one bigger down if me want bigger down come art. You know big pussy girl or boy. But you like sweet, you candy rapper. Cause two liar tell us the two liar promise you. Liar fee, you make sure you take out court order. Me not see how fast with you. Me not see how fast, I don't even see you. You got to go quote your candy bag, sweetie bar. Sweets, man. You like sweets. You do anything for money. You're sweetie, man. You do anything for money. Okay. Your blood clot run come. But class work. I you want class every blood clot body. And also, you don't go by the next 80 black. You don't go by 80 more blood clot black. And have to put them in the backdrop. Them they run a smarty yard. Cause that me you tell blood clot people, you know. I'm on how the fuck them know that. Yeah, sweetie man. Poison you walk. You know, like the blood clot is the problem with your blood clot, you know, they take out a problem. Remember one day your blood clot causing a blood clot 5, you know, a woman just sent me $100 from foreign. $100, I get $10,000. 100 Canadian, I get $10,000 in Christmas. I'm broke. I'm a dip in my blood clot pocket. And I give the policeman 5 blood clot $1,000 for your big pussy boy. Big pussy boy, what them did there. Think me like karma. Cute. She will not take none of that, want more for take. That's why I make sure you run your farm around me, because when you drop me, you come back here, sir. When you drop, steal the sand drop me, you come back here, sir. You're going to live for see me. I'm always the head and not the tail. And you're going to go some. It's all blood clot. You see all blood clot. Stinky mother goose starter, dirty alleyway, kind of become blood clot fuck. We breed from sharp blood clot, must say 14 or 15. Chat, my baby father me there for 12 years. Me I tell you the honest truth, 14K people there, so I'm afraid of people. I'm afraid of people. I'm afraid of people. It make me have bad trust issues, which we can't trust nobody. I want them good to me. I have bad trust issues. I tell you, say, you know, I ride with Jakes right out, you know. Any problem, I think about all problem, you know. Jakes and people are fighting. I broke my neck, you know. Remember one time when me and my neighbor in an ambulance. And boy come for fucking blood clot, and then me go and say, pussy. You not fall by your sword yet. This is just the beginning. Yeah. Remember, before the boy dead from over so, come for war one blood clot there. Come for war one blood clot there. When come for war, I'm going to be say if you have trapped my baby, never gonna trap me too. And I make my blood clot. The man want come for me. The man come for him. Never hug up the last up. Hug it up. Hug it up. And you side with people. And I tell you, and I tell you, you tell your pitney. Can I chat my pitney with people? You know people, you know contact me up on social media and them can't ask me the question about me with them. Them can't question me. Enough people may say, yo, and less chatting. I make all type of people. I soldier Goodie, you know. My social blood clot go to shashimi I go pan now. You make all type of people getting in your brain for money and tell if you do this and tell if you do that. It's all the day when every day people tell if you do it. You live here long enough. I know the condition I say, why would you want a video into the drawer with the dildo? You see the people, me I leave out our place. You don't have nothing in here more than 2 clothes when me buy you. I know you're still in them. How ungrateful are you? Your voucher saying I'm ungrateful. Are you sink yourself on the net, you know? Are you voucher saying I'm ungrateful? Me couldn't video in my... Me couldn't stay with some of them yard. I see them sleeping in shit. And when me I leave, me I trust I shit them and sleeping in. Say that my blood clot hourglass and watch you. So it's like sand through the hourglass. So is the days of your blood clot life. You're going to have a curse, or people will come up on you, or you can't pass you and grateful motherfucker. Stinking Goodie, come here. When me I send my 2 bits come get TikTok no you know. When me I send my 200 US come get TikTok no you know. When you rank my money and I walk and give money to people for back to school, TikTok no you know, so you reach your class me. He's the next ungrateful shit house. You wanted an ungrateful dog bed. You can't give me Goodie. Goodie, my crown never top over my head yet. I may give you highlight, I may give you cloud. I'm sorry for you and chat to you. And people start know say you have a voice. My crown never top over my head yet. Can't think do me can't own it. If I lick up batty, me can't say I lick up batty. I suck pussy, I suck good, I teeth, I shit and don't like my batty, I don't like beard. Anything me don't like, me can't do up here and comb it. If ever chunky. Oh, piss up much of your finger blood clot. Because you're like in a chatting with blood clot people. You come talk about Akeem and garbage. I laugh off of you. I'm saying, look, I say, you know what? I tell him what day. I tell him yesterday. I say, look, what the better people. Look how fair you are, wash and comb. I look like smell. You look like a dirt alert. Madagascar. Medusa. As people go eye them freeze in a rock or stone, salt girl. Go buy 2 solid takes. Come on, one patch leak at the concrete leak. You want 2 blood clot solid. When you rank my money and I walk and give money to people for back to school, TikTok no know, so you reach your class me. Here's the next ungrateful shit house. You wanted an ungrateful dog bed. You can't give me Goodie. Goodie, my crown never top over my head yet. I may give you highlight, I may give you clout. I'm sorry for you and chat to you. And people start know say you have a voice. My crown never top over my head yet. Can't think me do me can't own it. If I lick up batty, me can't say I lick up batty. I suck pussy, I suck good, I teeth, I shit and don't like my batty, I don't like beard. Anything me don't like, me can't do accountable feet. Dirty girl. Go comb your head. Go wash your ear and comb it. If you have a junkie. Oh, piss up much of your finger blood clot. Because you're like in a chatting with blood clot people. You come talk about Akeem and garbage. I laugh off of you. Come see look at me say you know what, I tell him what day, I tell him yesterday, I say look at what the better people. Look how fair you are, wash and comb and look like smell. You look like a dirt alert. Like a dustbin box. Dirty Goodie. Send back my 2 bits come give me. Now argue with y'all will feed you. He's an ungrateful blood clot bumble hole. I saw Swiss sleep and me say one blood clot money. And the boy ran, I could wait until the boy call you and get. You run go click blood clot like some of the old you. Madagascar, Medusa. Will up a snake nip on your blood clot head. As we go eye to eye will freeze. Madagascar. Medusa. As people go eye to eye them freeze. In a rock or stone, salt girl. Go buy 2 solid takes. Come on, one patch leak at the concrete leak. You want 2 blood clot solid takes. You just want to know for sleeping in one good bed. You want to come talk about people like garbage. Eh? Stinking skunk. You just reach one good bed. You talk about people like garbage. You just sleep in one bed. You just know one. You just feel one good sponge, one good mattress feel like fly down.
Boy, my people, Rosealee have time today. Everybody I get it. Everybody I get it. You know what I mean? Boy, man, tell more the thinking of the comments to people because yo, Jaja, Rosealee, I give it to everybody. Jake still in my people. We feel like the Jake just make the people them grow on him and him new to TikTok, him don't know who I link with who. Because for all we know, what if TikTok liar and Rosealee are link? Eh? And TikTok liar just devised a plan there for mash up Jakes. Tell me in the comment section. You know what I mean? Because we can't put nothing past them people up on TikTok in a whole heap of story them sell we know people. So make watch some more.
Thinking, girl, I never want back your blood, come on, keep it. Can't never ever fault, I can't ungrateful. You talk about, oh, I'm the job of the rubbish, so I said the rubbish, you are more rubbish. You just sleep in one blood clot good bed. You just know for eat one good plate of food. Like one good, like real food. Real food, Goodie. Like real food. You just know for eat some real food. So you can't give it me. You just know how real food eat. Like some good brown soup chicken and white rice. With 2 buckets on the side and 1 cup of juice. Well, one be fruit punch orange juice. Thinking girl ever gonna plane yet? Thinking girl ever gonna resort yet? Thinking girl and say I want blood clot beard. Thinking girl? Nah beard. Nah belly bottom and a throat back. Mine man. Man want your suck finger sour mouth. Big lip. Cocky throat. You're too enough. But we spend the money when they can't give back. Where you got 200 to give me? Sinus, cold mucus. Where you got back 200 to give me? Now, if I take back 200 from you, that's sin. I mean, I want double sin because sometimes it's true. I don't know about the blood. I work, I come. That's why I keep here, so. I thought to be a community investigator. Right, Akeem, what you do there?
Triple.
First triple chat.
First triple chat. First triple also chat.
I know them cause me some work, you know. Fight Akeem, what you do there? Them a thief. I don't know I look on them coming, I look on a soul right now, my house a leak. No one red fall tonight.
First triple.
The blood clot, boy, keep me calling back. Right now my house a blood clot leak. The lady was so sharp put me. The lady was so sharp put the Airbnb for Akeem suck off my breast. You know about that do it?
Me done.
The lady was so sharp with the Airbnb in a Kingston. The Akeem suck off my breast. You know about that do it? Me have some dirty clothes to wash, you know. Jenny, wicked at Jenny, you know about that do it?
Come to the phone.
So Jenny go on and take my black car, come like me, not like people, one of them want to come take me in a mascot.
Try focus right here, so. No sweetie shop, no empty bag.
3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 5 day. R6.
Focus. I wrote now. Focus as a chat. Rose 2 bills, the sweetie shop, empty barrel. Focus.
Chat gloves, wait.
Chat focus, yes, sir. Chat 25
rose shot.
Fuck me, go on number 7 ready. 25 person. 25 rose shot. Focus. Oh wow.
How are they? You where they? One a bomber pussy blood clot liquor box of rumish. But me for the carry rumish give me pussy hole.
Chat double. Somebody now shoot yourself. 3.1 kilometers.
So you left up the road?
Chat double focus.
On the top of the box too.
Kind of roll.
Go fit for me now.
Chat wheel.
Look at the road.
What is so?
Go on fit my beers. Go on fit my beers. Go on now.
What is?
Yeah, soon.
I don't know if it's not trouble you, my friend.
Double chat.
Rice sauce, one of them. Come like this a rice pot back to my bottle over here, so. Rice sauce, butter rice. So then they come to man, Jales.
Double.
Shoot him.
You can't say so. That be enemy come for me.
Shoot him.
Watch out.
Yes, chat focus, one star. I'm not done that. Shoot him. Focus. Droplet. Focus. Shoot him. Wells. Focus. Yes, me done.
But over 11,000 people. Me can't say I say no. Me can't say I say.
Yeah.
Me can't say so.
Come on, man. Come on, girl.
Somebody else outside. I'm think of me.
Rice sauce, step out of the clothes.
Lover.
Butter rice, potty rice. Basmati. Grace rice. Come on, man.
Try to drop our gloves so we can try. Levy-K people, we can win.
It will be around certain joke. I work with them. Focus.
I saw me no man hate me.
Consider in the middle.
No man no want me. I want me go look. I want me go get to a nice man who go want me. Honestly, no man no want me. I saw me no man despise me and reject me, Carol. No man no want me, Carol. I'm gonna get to a nice man no want me, Carol.
Every rice, grace rice, basmati.
No man no want me.
Jasmine.
We can get to a nice man.
Go sweet, man.
Come on,
I'm
let
watch there, and I'm sorry, I'm jealous.
Focus, chat. Come on, work now, man.
Why?
Focus.
Why? No man no want me.
Focus.
Me never me no want the man no want me. I'm gonna get to a nice man no want
When I
me.
told me that the man no want me.
Chat focus on the gloves.
Focus,
Focus on the gloves, chat. Guys, pass up on the gloves, not
Yeah,
chat.
alright, how the girl name is so?
Terry
Thanks.
Guys.
Thanks, Terry. Mommy, you can't cock up.
One
And I buy the send to me, girl.
Chat, gloves.
Focus.
Gloves, tell them.
Butter rice, basmati,
Man, no want
gloves,
me.
chat, gloves. Chat, focus your son,
No man
man.
no want me.
Drop a glove to me at 30. Alright, drop it. Activate it.
Focus your son, chat.
So my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to move on to the next, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think about Daima and figure it out, the dynamics of them relationship. If you don't feel like, say, yo, you know what I mean, them good together or maybe them a force the relationship. You only just tell me what you think. You see me? To me still, everybody meant to be with each other, no matter who that person is. There's no such thing as compatibility, you know what I mean? Because me a man, you a woman, yes, we make a perfect couple, simple as that, you know what I mean? Although when it comes to the logics of things, you have, you know what I mean, compatibility. Because yo, suppose the woman have a deep something and you have a little something, only not compatible. You have to go find a girl with a shallow something and feel like something can work in the middle. You know what I mean? She have to go find a man with a big something for working at the middle. So that's how the compatibility come in. You understand what I say? So we can watch some more with people and then move on to the next.
Focus.
Look for the gloves and shoot.
Where Jasmine and the Jasmine rice, basmati. Come the man, grace rice.
A white rice, a plain rice.
But there's some butter rice,
Plastic rice.
vegetable rice. Thanks, madam.
Look
Focus.
for the gloves and shoot, team.
Be jealous.
And shoot.
Thank you for the doing on me, baby.
But the gloves and
Thank you for them, thank you. Use the gloves, chat.
I
Chat,
joke. I
focus.
for the baby.
Use the gloves, chat.
I joke. We can't snipe chat.
Come on, do not chat.
11,000 people can't win a blood.
Alright, we are number 5.
I
Come,
pay
chat.
enemy there, so.
Good
I
first.
pay enemy.
Thank you, no thank.
We need some form of compensation. Until the child decides, say, she not sure if she want to press charges. And I can't make the decision for her. Yes, Janelle. And the thing is, for me get the girl of them information here, me have to go and over. Me have to go and over. But I'm willing to do the footwork. I am willing to do the footwork for whatever it takes. I'm willing to do the footwork. Yeah, to tell them for me this time, I want them to listen carefully. I want to listen carefully. I'm not go in search of no one. Me I go buy the books. Me I do it the law way. I want a compensation. And people take responsibility, that's it.
So you war girl and come cheer me the internet. You want internet cheer for you? You want little followers and so? I'm glad me no follow. I'm glad me no walk and press people.
Me still say you come for little followers and little fame. Everybody for praise. Oh, I get a will beat Rosealee, yeah. Your little fame done now. Me just to make you know that. Cause come like you know the internet run. So you come here today, everybody depend. Yes, he cannot take the Rosealee. By next week, them the blood clad member you. You think they member you after? A 9-day talk, and when the 9-day talk done, them no member blood clot yo. You don't know TikTok.
I'm lying, too blind.
You don't know TikTok. You feel like you know TikTok, little girl, you don't know ya. And you come Anya, come see Anya. Because you come here, you make problem. Because you want to look at highlight, you reach for live. You turn on camera in a big box. Them a send cash up, Zell come give you. A planting. A liar send you. Liar send you. You look at fame sue over. No worry. Them can't go and praise you, no one go on. The fame sue done. It's just a matter of time. And no matter how you come, Rosealee still got clock tea. She still got have her 20 or 22 blood clot viewers them. She still got get gift. So what you do now is just come like a little maska bomba blood clot raid. It don't make no sense to me. What you get out of all of this? Be a $40 and $30 me hear them a throat gear this man. $40 and $30. How much money you make out of that situation, yeah? Clout. You see it? You see what you do? You just do it for clout. When the people them over liar live and praise you, me see one screen record with you. You just a smile so. Like you say, yeah, they're the champion. You just a smile so like, yeah, you get one big trophy or you achieve something big. You achieve something big. Yeah, I say, yeah, get one big trophy. Yeah, and you look at fame so done. It's so done, man. No worry. It's so done. It's just a matter of time. I saw TikToks here, mama. Yeah. I saw TikToks here. It's so finished. No worry yourself about it. Yeah. It's so by tomorrow, next week or the other day. Them people I forgot about that me there. I still the people who support Rosealee, them still go say one Rosealee is same with them, still go over her life, them still go full up her life, them still go send her a gift. You don't stop nothing at all. So that's why you just did leave the situation alone me there. But can't bother. No, you don't get out tight. Get it pan. For sure you say all long. For sure you say who is a little troublemaker. Because me hear when they pan liar live I say. From there, share class, my friend at talk about my friend video her. So that means that on been one problem too. Because I can't break down the situation, you know, and make people understand, say, you bitches been one problem. Because me hear a screen record with you in a liar box and say, oh, earlier, and my friend did trouble her, you know. She see my friend, and the people in their comments and say, so, oh, no trouble her. And you not answer. Me see it. Yeah, me see it. So that means you been one fame, you been one highlight. Because you tell liar say, your friend, we never know say your friend Rose did a class in our video. I say, what the fuck could I video me for? But I slap the phone, I should have slapped the phone out on the hand. We never know, and you come tell me. Let's say I know say I from there not pre the blood clot woman. From there not pre the woman. From there not pre the blood clot woman. Can you see it? You and the woman on a buck up from there. And Rosa says stop video her. She should slap the phone out and come back again for problem. On see her, on start to go on and make problem with her. And she just get up now and start to joke in her face. I say, me trouble you. Me trouble you is a setup. Liar, you set it up. And you set it up. But Rosealee, me still gonna give you wrong. You should have lick her. She make a girl face your first. Yeah. She make a girl just come in. You should have go in her face. Although me know say them provoke you, but you should have go in her face. She make she come. And words, remember you know Rosealee, you know say words are win. When the fuck you make one little dirty stinking girl?
Well, my people, them can love her upon the girl where she and Rosealee fight. Them can love her upon TikTok and support her and she get big still, you know. But you have the fight of them on TikTok. You see me? I say what them feel like, say yo, them to decide who to be famous on TikTok or make it on TikTok. You understand what I say? And then we fight down that girl. As much as you see them link her up and I say this and I say that, them same one we make she fall, just like how they make Jakes fall. You see what I say? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more.
I tell you say back big and you feel like, yeah, my back big. And you make it offend. You shouldn't make it offend. You should just kiss your teeth because it's something where you used to on the internet. Because me call you big back and all of us call you big back. So you should just kiss your teeth and brush off that. Yeah. You know, you shouldn't make when a girl say, affect you. So you get up and you go in a girl face. Yeah, them provoke you. I know them gaslight you and so. But at the end of the day, make a girl touch your first. You can't use have a right and gateway. Never you do that. Because if the girl did have a knife and she tab you up now for God bid, we're glad that never happened. But if she did have a knife and she give a couple stab out tight, we have to give you the wrong same way. We have to give you the wrong. Because you lick her first. Make a girl put the man by your first. No put no girl by no girl. Make them lick your first because you have your right and you give it away. When she sit down and you juke her in her blood clad face. Which me know say the girl them been a pressure you from there. But at the end of the day we have to look on it. Too wrong don't make a right. Yes, too wrong don't. So me soon at the comments I say she provoke her, yes. The girl wrong for provoke her from there. Me beat the girl them too, but at the end of the day chat. Too wrong to make her right. You could have lose your life. So just because a girl provoke you, in the day, are you used to something what people in the community call you, you're used to it. And then in the night now, you see girl and joke girl in her face. No bro, can't do that. You have your right and you give it away. And that's so. I mean, hear Diamond say the same thing. Diamond say she would have help you war, but after, should have carry now one corner and tell you, say, sister, you're wrong. And it's just the truth. You're wrong for true. Yeah, you're wrong. Because the girl could have one knife. She could have. She could have. I'm gonna keep it in the comment that says she was triggered. Yes. You know those ear.
The people say I'm gonna trigger you.
So come here. But you wanna keep on in the comments that tell me say she need trigger and she this and she that. So come here. So una go walk in our member in a Rosealee big on the internet. We not triggering too. When we call her the things them and tell her the things them, we not triggering too. So when she see people in real life, I say everybody go say and call her big back and she go juke them in them face and fight. It cannot work that way.
That she said to them.
It cannot work that way. Since everybody where you see and pass you and say, big back Rosealee, you're going to juke them in them face and fight, you have to control yourself and learn self-control. It's not good. So don't come type in my comments and tell me say them trigger. Me say too wrong now make her right. Them wrong for trouble her from the day. But at the end of the day, you have to learn to control yourself.
Just show self-control.
You have to learn to control yourself. Learn to have self-control. It's not everybody where you see you're going to juke them in them face because them shade you or them call your name. You're going to continue keep fighting.
She need to stay.
And it's not every fight you're going to win. So at the end of the day, two of them wrong. The little dirty blood clad fuck out girl them, what trouble her from in the day, them wrong too. And Rosealee wrong for juke the girl in her blood clad face. One I tell me say, I fuck with me attack? I fuck with me attack?
And why she couldn't tell Jamaica say, anybody call her big back, she and them go happy.
Yeah, when me see that, when me hear you say that Rosealee, me say, Rosealee think about what she say. see one screen record you say. Anywhere you go and nobody see and call you big back, a fight. Don't, Rosealee. If you ever call the haters, them where you have, see, you have to see everybody in a public. If somebody see a video you and call you big back, you're going to fight.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Something is going to happen to you, and I think your moderators and your friends need to have a talking with you. You're going to fight everybody that see you in public. You're a public figure. So everybody will see in a public, you're going to fight. If me come to Jamaica tomorrow morning and a girl see me and say, so shady, or her hip lean, but just kiss my teeth and gone, you never touch me. You just say, shady. And I like you carry the phone and come in on my face and say, chat, TikTok, see shady, I'm going to box out it blood clot out of my face. You understand? So you have to know for control yourself, self-control. Me can't come to Jamaica tomorrow, anybody see me and video me. I don't care. Me just want to know so I stay good before no video me. Say me know me there Jamaica, me wash my dirty foot them, scrub them, do my toenail. Anything I put on fit me and sit down for me. So me can't go anywhere I want dress. I'ma fix my ear nice. I'ma gamble my blood clot business. So if a girl see me and video me, I don't care, bitch. My business. You not touch me. And I like see you carry your phone come in my face and say, TikTok. So dirty share. So big food share in my face. But I go some box out that out of my blood clot face. And this me I go war now. Yeah, cause you up in my blood clot presence. But if you stay from over with your Constant Spring Road, I head over passport officer me over the other part of the blood clot plaza, and you see me and go some video me from far. That I'm not for do with me, boo. Put it on TikTok where you want me for do. Me for see the girl and say, I wish girl like me look for your page. Hey girl, meet me at Afro Tree, meet me at Crossroad. What the fuck? No baby, don't laugh. What the fuck?
Yeah, and life is so funny.
And I'm for do?
Look what them do, Derek. And when Rosealee said, when them usually run down Derek with the...
No, and I'm for do to people.
Yes.
When them video me and put them see me in Jamaica and them not make to say anything, words are win.
Come go meet up. Yeah.
So me go see them put me on TikTok and say, come meet up, girl. Girl, video me come here, me go meet up. Come back a Crossroad, come back a Constant Spring, come on Afro Tree. And so me go walk and war the whole blood clot internet because of what them say. So speech not free again. Freedom of speech. We not have that again, chat. We not have freedom of speech again. Rosealee cannot plan to live your life like that. And that's how it go.
Them to send the papers come for my daughter, you know. Every morning, every evening, we have to call and I beg them, you know. That's me in a call guide and counselor. I beg the guide and counselor to send the papers them come. So my daughter can get in a school. Right? Anyway, you don't know say boom so the papers them come up. As the papers them come up, me I tell you. Them say we get through. Me said yes. My daughter get through. You see me? So boom so now my daughter go to school, you know. Everybody, every pitney a Christian and say, yes, so we are going to come to school, so we are going to come to school, so we are going to reach a Christian and we are say yes, cause we almost get through. But here them get the papers them. But here the papers reach them, the last piece. They say the school full. Me not joke and me not laugh. But here them get the last piece of papers. They say the school full. Yai water come out of my fucking yai. When me say yai water drop out of me yai water drop out of me yai. Literally. When me hear them say the school full. Me hear that before. I heard that before. Right? She's 14 years old. I heard it before. You understand? And me I say, Bombard, something not right here. Something not right. You understand? I mean, all heap of uno this are gonna be some hypocrites. All heap of uno this are gonna be a piece of hypocrite when me there start talk. Because when you choose who you want choose.
The people, will tell me what they think in the comment section. I don't talk too much. So, make we get back in night.
And love on social media. Who no choose, who no love, from who no want rate, from who no want bias with. You understand what I say? But when me see that now, me say, you know, say something alright. But watch this now, no. Them say, them a send CDA for me. Me said, alright, no problem. Because me already have my daughter for online class. Me already pay me money to a teacher to teach my daughter about 3 times a week. 3 times a week me can pay. But I couldn't think me a hustle so hard and I beg so hard. My side, catch speed for me now, please. Why you think me a beg so hard? Eh? And when me sit down on high blood pressure, kill me. Me beg out backside, we do what me can do. 3 times a week me can pay her. Next me tell her to go up online. But sometimes she get distracted and me say if she did at school, that be look a bit more better for you, for me. You understand me? Use her, come kiss me ass. Kiss my ass. Anyway, me didn't know and them say them a send CDA towards me. Me say no problem, you know. Cause you see me now, me is a mad girl, you know. A lot of you know say part of my brains plug out, you know, and gone, you know. You see me? So me is a mad girl when it come on to certain things. You hear me tell you? So you know what? When them say them a send CDA, me say me not have a problem because CDA come on my yard already. This is not the first time CDA come on me yard. Right? So me tell myself, say CDA come on me yard. You understand me? I don't have a problem because CDA come on my place more than once, more than twice. Good morning, baby. You get what I say? Look here, me having a moderator, yes sir, just lock down this blood because I tell you the truth now. I don't want to disrespect enough of them people here. I don't want to disrespect enough of them people here. I'm not ready for only yet in the comments. You get me? Yeah, me I block you too. Yeah, me I block you too, little girl, because you're enough. You're enough, bad. I'm not chat to you. Yeah, you're enough. So make no phone fly out of my comment section. You understand? Because I'm going to talk some things on this, you know. Yeah. And look, girl, go over the other side. Don't come over here up on my platform. Because no phone look, girl, feel like we and big people are the same size. And when people this, you know, and this, you know, we not go here, so we not have no manners. So look, girl, me know you, you know. Go over there, so. Me know you know no chattings with me. Right? So as what me I say now, guys. When my sister she not get in, and me I say, yo, that's hard, that very harsh. Like, why my daughter can't get in at school? What the problem? No, when CDA come now, and the system now, them start check out everything. Now them find out, say, from Marcus Mosiah Garvey school, right? Them blacklist my daughter. So them blacklist my daughter from Marcus Mosiah Garvey school. Right? So in every school where me I put in my daughter was blacklist from Marcus. From the time when me tell them so me now make my daughter go on campus, go work out nothing at all because them gang me pitney. You understand what me I say? From the time when the whole thing happen up there, them blame me. You get me? They no blame the other parents, you know. The other parents or the whole thing go down, you know, and the whole saga go down, you know. Even in front where the police there. When me did have to call the police, you know. You understand what I say? Man, fly up your comments. Right? Even in front of the police, when they want war with in front of the police, them still blame we. You understand what I say? And then blacklist my daughter. You understand me? Them blacklist my daughter. Any other school where me a try send me picnic go, me have to end up going Ministry of Education, write a letter to them. You understand what me I say? Because me I wonder what the problem. But the whole problem is because Marcus Mosiah Garvey, the principal from Ocharias, Mansfield Heights, them blacklist my daughter. When me the overseas, me I text the principal a reason with her. She not answer me again because me and her used to talk good. When me come to Jamaica, me I text the principal. She not answer me. Even when time me I beg her a letter for carry Zoe go overseas. The woman don't want give me the letter for carry my daughter go overseas. immigration. A good thing, one good immigration see me and allow me to carry my daughter overseas because me did supposed to get a letter from the school. And the principal never want to give me the letter. And me just left and fly out without it. I got them on my side. Me could have carried my daughter. I want good immigration see me and help me. Me could have carried my daughter in the other country. So for sure, see, your H is on bad mind. You understand me? And I me when them watch and eat pan the media, them take it out for my daughter at the end of the day. Because my daughter deserves to have an education like anybody else pitney out there. I'm here talk straight this morning. The principal from Marcus Mosiah Garvey School blacklist my daughter. You understand me? Put the blame on my pitney when all of the pitney them gang my daughter at the end of the day. Even when the parents them come and the disrespect they not go on right there in front of them. Eh?
See, what you have to say pertaining to the situation right now, because we are seeing Drake's true colors. At one point, Jakes is a humble man. I'm quiet, because even me didn't say I'm humble man. But
the people, gonna tell me what you think in the comment section about Annie and her youth and getting black. You see me I say? Because yo, you feel black and look up in the from school. Yo, them people are more wild. You see, them are the same person them were in a comment section, you know, them people here with all the school, them like the teacher and them are some of the people them were in the comment section and watch these people on social media, you know. And the consequences of them picnic I go feel it. You understand? Because when them see the parents are behave some type of way on social media, then them I go have certain type of what I say you know. Them are going to deal with the picnic like how them say the parents are behave most of the time. And some of the time the picnic them behave the same way, so and that's why them get treated them type of way. But me don't feel like say them should have go as far as block the picnic from school, because whenever she wrong, she was getting bullied. You know what I mean? So make me know what you think. Make we watch she and hear what she have to say. Because I think she link up the authorities and them tell them say nobody no TikTokers no wanted. You see me I say? Because I know so it go. You can't just call the officers them and say Ray. We don't no evidence, no proof, no nothing at all, and them go hold on people and put people on wanted list. I know so it work. So make we watch some more with people.
I realize say you put on one face, you put on one face, Marv. This is a pretending face thing where the mask would never know say the mask would have fall off. Jakes so just come on TikTok, Jakes rise then him fall. So fucking quick. I never see somebody rise so and fall in less than a blood clot. 2 months? Just fall. Fall so? Pure mix up. So Jakes, you never know so when you go link with liar mix up. A bare things are gonna reach you. A bare things are gonna bare fabricated story are gonna go on 1 month. Beer things. Banikwa. You never know that. Pure things are going. Turn a no man want you never know see if you go link. Go find some people link with a progressive a blood clot. You gonna link with stinking liar. And sassy a big woman. Or if you make a fucking blind lady. Where you never sip on a phone call. Not even our big fuck out mouth. Our big cell phone. None belly bottom front when you're done. Never ever see our face yet. Big fuck out long time or done. Sell fuck like a dog in a foreign. Never ever. Pure than fuck and mock that. In a gonna link up with blood clot, TikTok liar. I a big woman. Dan done see no, so you have to see with her. She can't make liar leader. Come remember Dan Duns. So you have to see with she. The long time retirement war, she done bad. So if a liar control she, you have to see with her. You realize yesterday when Pretti Dan light up blood clad sassy. When Pretti Dan light up your big pussy, you know say Dan never defend your Dan stay so. Yes, I see, I saw Dan behave. When Pretti Dan deal with your menopause blood clot, Dan should lock her mouth, she never defend you. She never said, no, Pretti Dan, you can't say that. Or, Duppy know who for frighten. Yeah. Duppy know who for frighten upon ya. Dan, you afraid of Pretti Dan? So Pretti Dan class your teammate or your co-worker. Because the whole on our work together. And you just sit down there and not say nothing. Don't you really know who for frighten? Thank you, my baby. Don't you know who for frighten? Me see Pretti Dan say clear blood clot Dan. You come like you didn't want to say something but you couldn't say it. Cause you know want Pretti Dan take out your pussy root and catch it up on the light post. You know want Pretti Dan dig up the root of your wall and put it on the light post. And me have strength for. Oh, you have secret for me? Oh, you hear something about me Dan? Oh. But if anybody else you dig up them belly bottom, me see upon the lady and blood clad Chevy, and me see your angle Chevy like a dog. Your angler, you see? And Pretti Dan angle you while you're quiet. My dear. Don't you really know who for frighten? Or seen what Don't you know who for frighten, man? You have strength for everybody else over here. But when them light up your blood clad co-worker, you never say nothing. Alright, my brother. When them light up your co-worker, you never say nothing. You're quiet. You see you sickly, you're going on your phone, so. You look like you did vex though. You're in the car, you light up yourself and you say you have receipt. And then when me look, you go to the car, listen to one something and come in back. Nothing. But you know what I see, Dan? When you're in the car, I don't know if you see it. When you're in the car, you're in the car and you say, you're going to listen to one voice note and see who for name out tight and you're going to pick it and come back. When you blood clot get up and come out of the car, a sassy you go call. Liar now no memory. Me I watch you live, me see everything. Me no miss nothing. Sister, what? You never listen to no voice note. Somebody can listen to a voice note and talk back to the voice note that make no fucking sense. Me see how the car a circle, so I walk back and forth. And you depend. So who you're talking to somebody? If somebody going like this, obviously you're talking to somebody. You didn't have no receipt. It's go for call Sassy for ask Sassy if you can say certain things. That's what I learn at school, you know. That's what I learn at school. I listen to what teacher say. That's what I learn. I never go to school for one bench. Done. I never go school for one bench. Nobody talk to a voice note. Yeah, listen to a voice note, listen. I never go school for one bench. Nobody talk.
Some people, we are listen some more of this and then we are going to go over Dan because Dan I complain and I try to get herself out of the mix because people are trying to mix her with TikTok liar. You see me I say? So make her watch some more of this and then go over there.
Talk to a voice note. Yeah, listen to a voice note, listen. All the phone I reach from my ears to my mouth. I'ma see how the car Dan. Remember I know just the car door open and you stand up outside. And you walk from the car to you walk from the back window to the front part. And you depend. So me I say, Dan in the car I tell Pretti Dan say she have receipt. Where is the receipt? Where is the receipt? You went and you call Sassy to ask Sassy if you can say certain things or whatever, or she should come on live and talk. And I hear you come back in the car. Oh! Me call her and she say she not come over here because you disrespect her already and Ray. And I saw that blood clot little roof lift off on her. You observe everything and you sit down and you're quiet. You're forgetting that you did come and say you have a receipt. That's why I know say liar now no memory. First you say you have a receipt, so how the fuck you reach out of the car? Figure listen to one voice note and you depend. And then when you come back in the car you say, oh, we had Sassy on the live, Ray. But she said she not come because Ray. I thought you said you had the receipt. So why you have to call for the receipt? That's crazy. You all are wickeds. Not wicked people. Wicked. Not wicked people. You say you have the receipt. So you have to call the receipt. That makes sense. You say you have it. If you have it, you have it. It's simple. Una wicked. That's how you sit down and plot against people and plan up on people and do everything. Una wicked. I saw you stay. Una have to sit down and plan on a lie. I'm real rich. What you do over my life? And when I come off, I go block you. Come on, know what you do over here. Chat, thank you. What you want over here? Over here says not your headquarters, you know? Okay, thank you for me block you. Thank you. I draw you out for your comment. Thanks. Love that. Yeah. Build a page now. And that's exactly what cute. I saw me draw out for black you know. I'm want you talk. Remember my life, you know, I see who join, I see everything. Remember my gatekeep. So that you do done. You not liar, you not wicked, you not poison, you not everything where you can think of. You not plan on the lies them for come and tell the people them. Thank you so much, baby. You say you have the receipt, now you're gone up for go call. For know if you can say this or say that. It's a plan thing or something on the plan for tell lie. On the whole on the sit down on phone call and do group call. Liar, Sassy, Dan, Sky Diamond, the whole on no. Now yesterday I tell you say, hold on. I get one screen record. No, yesterday I tell you say that Sky Diamond and Liar is friend. Them just pad. Sky Diamond just sit down and cuss Liar, make it look like so them not talk. Now yesterday I tell you that chat. Yesterday I tell you that. Yesterday though. I see one screen record with Sky Diamond and Liar live together. Wanna see it?
Yeah.
I see one screen record with Sky Diamond and Liar on live together. Wanna see it?
You see the person on Red Stripe team?
I'm glad I don't see it. Okay. They're my good friend. Them just come and them sit down and them plan and them do them thing. Just the other day, Sky Diamond and cuss liar. I say liar wicked. And you see Peter get over liar a class yo. And oh, remember she from what you and be a liar and Peter get them and go back and forth, you know. Cause you see lie, you see Peter get a planting, and that me I tell you, bro. It's a planting, it's a plan. Do all them sit down on phone and them plan. Them behave like say them don't talk, them talk. Them dey on phone call and plan what them are gonna talk about today. All the live are gonna go today. Who for said this or who for be careful what them must say. Them plan everything.
Me is not that person. A blood clot. Me is not that person. Me have a heart. So all of the hypocrite people them, when you see a talk about him, TikTok liar, and shit this and shit that with TikTok liar and Dan is two different person. TikTok liar have a mind of our own, and Dan have a mind of our own. None of TikTok liar things them what TikTok liar do. TikTok liar no come to my phone or send them to my phone before she go do them. Me in my bed asleep when you not go on with no wrong zambo. So why you not always call my blood clot name? Why me not hear una call Big B them name? Why me not hear una call Ringa them name? Why me not hear una call it where them used to gang up all of them at night time when me gone on my bed? Cause for sure you say una ongo want to call people name where people know upon the media, because look into this and be fear now. If me dey on my bed and them have a thing called daycare where all of the girl them over there daycare and them are go on with themselves at night time and a go on with themselves, oh me get involved in it. Oh, me get involved in it. And all when me hear una talk, me no hear una say, yes, TikTok liar and Brina, yes, TikTok liar and Big B them. Me no can't remember everybody name. Me just remember TikTok liar and Martin them, TikTok liar and King them. All the people them were used to over there inside there. And me not gonna remember everybody name. But me never hear una say that. Una keep on and say Dan. Una notice all when Big B then used to come over here. When them a go do them things. You hear what they say? Mother we are got daycare now go on with yourself and then go and do what them a do. So why una always a blame me? Why una always a blame me? If them did want for me to hear the things them where them a do, them would do it on my platform. Because me have a bigger platform. But they want to go on with themselves and be themselves, because guess what? All of them have a mind of them own. And nobody no get program over here, so me never tell none of them what to do yet. You all away over here live loving like one big family. They run from the box there, the box there, the box there, the box there. I saw over here so used to run. Sometimes I can't even find them all for you hold there till 9 night. You see all of them bungle up and come one time. That's how we used to live. You have to know that. And the same person will mash up everything. And the same person, me see I said the girl fi go down. And me just look on here and say, you see how life funny? That's why me telling them, me is not a run backer. Me is not a running soldier. Uno could have big pan the internet look more. Me observe uno. Because I realize say a lot of uno where they on the internet as big ranker. Uno we talk to a man today and by later uno see like uno views are go down and uno just turn pan them. So me no too want fi in and no things with uno. Me could have there all over internet and run from everybody box. Me could have there on TikTok and run from box to box to box. But why you think me no do that? Because me I watch the people them and me I say, John, no, some of them people are fake, you know, man. Some of them rank higher. Anytime them see them views are go down, you know, them a turn pan them one another, you know. For build up a controversy, you know, for the people them, you know, and for them start get kind and them there, you know. Me did happy with my people them when me have over here, so, you know. Me did happy with my people them when me have over here, so, you know. Me never have a problem with my people them when me have with over here, so, you know. A them and TikTok liar in a problem.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because Dan, you have to know, say, you're guilty by association. You see me, I say, them in a beef with other people where you par with them, I go in a beef with you too. That's just so it work. So, it's either if you want that to stop, you have to go separate yourself from them. Simple as that. Let me know what you think, people.
Not me, you know. But yet still, me always I get the blame. I don't know why. None of them, me never tell say them yeah red until what day when Brina violate me. None of them, me never tell say them yeah red. A Brina come violate me, say she a violate me for a woman where she don't even know from Adams. None of them. Me and none of them never have a problem. We never tell we one another so we are ready. Nothing at all. Everybody just tell themselves, say, listen, them a lie and agree, and then just stay at them quarters and everybody just fine with it. But the people always a push down things down people throat. Get this straight. Dan no afraid of nobody pan it up. Neither man, woman, picnic or nobody. Get this straight. And me want to get this straight again. You see, all of the things them want to see are going from how much. Me put it straight for now. Because I want to straighten up something for you, you know. For the past. Let me see now. When Peter Gay sitting there go on. Little bit before the Peter Gay, I never get a information about nothing at all where take place. Nothing at all where take place. I never get a information about it. TikTok liar have her platform. She get her information them. She use it on her platform. When we just start to be friends, she used to carry her information over here. I stay back and let them do the show because I feed them information. If me feel like chipping, me chip in. If me no feel like say nothing, me no say nothing. Couple months past, she feel like say, alright, here what? Me want me information for myself. She keep her information on her platform, not on my platform. I couldn't tell you last day. TikTok liar send one message to my phone or one voice note and say, this a go on now, you know, here say this happen until must Wednesday we gone. Say, I overvise this. Me no have no lot and part with none of the story them who go on. So I if stop call me name. Stop call me name. Stop call me name and tell lie upon me people. Me a beg on no stop call me name. TikTok liar is a big woman. I don't know how old she is. I can't tell if she a 1, 2 or 3. She have a mind of her own. Wednesday night when we talk, if you no see her in front of me or back of me, after she tell me, after we tell her say, the girl, and she say she a go bring it out, me say TikTok liar, do not put out this because this only a go make it Bigfoot one come, if nah beard one come, everybody a go come and them a go come call up me name. We say 2 more little word cause of that we a debate pan, you know. We say 2 more little word and she branch off, she gone. Me say to Kay, say, Kay later me a go watch me show. Me a watch me African show and like a mind say, come on TikTok, come on for African show. And me go like so. As me go so, and me say live, me TikTok push me in. Me say a cuss. Then me hear she say TikTok liar. So me say, when me say on TikTok liar have now. Then me hear she say Peter Gay. Me say bumble ass blood clot. Me take up the phone and me call back here. Me say Kay, when me tell you say last night. Me not tell you say if TikTok liar put out that story here, it a go back blood clot fire. And all like people them a go run come and start all cuss me. And look how it work out. Me know a site I work out, you know. Me know a site I go work out, you know. When me wake up, me see scream record 3 girl in a box for me name. Me say, watch I see him drunk when me I say me no want. Me know them a come for me. I feel me name deck. You know what me hear when I dead dog I say? No. TikTok liar group and Dan group. People didn't know if me have group. Only didn't know if me have group. That just for show you then just want to put me in every bumper ass. Me know if I make group. Me know if I make group for one group. Me know if I make group. Blood clot. I scream record, me see girl call up me name about group. And every day, This is just to show you how these people are. The people them, where them name, alright, me put it the right way. The people them we have, we not have no name on the app. You see if them do a crime on the app, them don't talk about it. You see if you we have a name and walk with the person when not no name we do the crime, them say you do the crime. From the blood clot there, the wicked liar blood clot girl constantly I say TikTok liar group because a TikTok liar have the name because a TikTok liar back share ride. I can't make the group. I can't make the group. The group come up because TikTok did a go away. I can't make the group and you never hear that nasty blood clot girl come out and say, I can't go because everybody go say, who is scared? They don't want that. Then when they call people name, people say, yes man, one of them are wicked and can you TikTok liar? Down them so for me name must have to come in it now. Oh, me come by group and me no one group. Tell me now. This is how these people are. I saw them steer. All when you tell them, all when the people, all when she come out first and she tell the people them say me never in a group. And people come back and attack. She admits me did deny it. A one time me ever blood clot text or two, cause me no remember. And the one when me go look for when me text I drunk me I talk about. And my enemy me I talk about in a group. Me no talk about nobody. And my enemy me I talk about. And you know the funniest part of it? Up to the day to blood clot. Me no look pan 10 sitting in a group up to the day. All the vice note them, me no open them all now. They still green to blood clot. Because what? That can't help me. Me no have time to go sit down for go listen. Just a listen to people business what that can do to me. And me have my man them to think about. That can't help me. When I hear that, up to now, me can go for blood clot phone and go look for group and show no green, same blood clot where me not touch them yet. And you know, say to them, they work and feel boring. When you see me make the video about the money, you know, say I go back and listen in a one video, me just touch pan one in and the one me touch pan. And when he must say, me glad me get rid of her, you know. Me never, like I said, me never know say she da do me that. I'm glad me get rid of her, you fuck. But me just a feel her out. And when it's somebody that say, how much money left? And me just no watch no more right and just come make a blood clot video. Cause some time, me we have one video and me watch one video 10 times before me done watch that blood clot there. Cause from me start and me find peace in it where me say, yeah, this are evidence. Me just put on me left rest. Till one other day again, me say blood clot. Here what me do again last night now. Me in a me car, I come from the jail. And me say, when me reach half my journey, me say, me go play one of Jake's sitting in a me car. And me just attach a phone to a car. And me hear when the woman said to him, say, are you alone there where you're there? And him say yes. You sure say are you alone there where you're there? Him say yes. And him and the woman attack. Yes, when the woman touched the Peter Gay saga, but Peter Gay wake up like him touch Peter Gay and say, eh? And wake up. Me cut out that little part there and send it to the woman and say, so you know, she said Peter Gay in a room asleep. She said, no, why you, me say, see me send it, see me cut it off and give there. She said, blood clot, are you alone, I think? Mirrors. Like him mother wake up and say, listen ya, them a go find out about you. Plane. And me say, why? If them people could have just see truth. But because I know my story. If them people could have just see truth. Alright. Me go say something to you because Rose come out today and Rose did attack and Rose attack and everything. Everybody listen Rose. Rose cuss who she fi cuss and left who she fi left. Alright. Me I go pencil out something for you. A one person when no sense on the internet, but she's a general in a real life, I go pencil out something for you. And I want all of you tell me what you get. All of we are go say a TikTok liar invent Peter Gay. All of we are go say that, yes, a she invent. Listen carefully, because I know I go cut off the part there alone. Make all of we say a TikTok liar bring Peter Gay. Alright? You will we own that and we say yes, a she. So me have 6 questions for you now. And me want you to come up in our box, come answer the 6 questions. One somebody. Just come answer the question and go back down, make somebody else. Me now put no whole heap of people in our box one at a time. Here the 6 questions when me I go ask you now. Is it a coincidence that Peter Gay a collect Jake's money? That a one question. Remember when you say a TikTok liar, bring her in. Is it a coincidence that Peter Gay becomes Jake's liar? That's 2. Is it a coincidence that Peter Gay a Jake's mother a comb Peter Gay here? That's 3, Is it a coincidence that Peter Gay a do Jake's transaction at the, what you call it? The hardware? That a 4, Is it a coincidence that a Peter Gay go buy the underpants and the shoes where the pitney them want? Is that a coincidence? Alright, say a TikTok liar bring her. Oh, she end up with Jakes. Is it a coincidence that Peter Gay and Jakes in the same room, and when Chevy call, pan a video call, and I ask, who want you in a house? He say, him and him liar. But the woman no want show her face. Him liar no want show her face. Is it a coincidence for you have a liar and you know why your woman see your liar face? Is that a coincidence?